Hello friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to do text-to-speech in CapCut. If you don't have a CapCut account, the CapCut link is in the description below. Let's add a video. I will use this video. Click on text up here on the top. Click on the blue plus sign to add to the timeline or just drag it to the timeline. Let's delete this. Let's type in, do you want to learn how to do text-to-speech? On the top over here, scroll to the right and click on text-to-speech. You can listen to the different voices and choose the one that you like.
Do you want to learn how to do text-to-speech?
Do you want to learn how to do text-to-speech?
Do you want to learn how to do text-to-speech?
Do you want to learn how to do text-to-speech?
I am going to choose this narrative female. Then click on Generate Speech. It's done generating, and it is here in our timeline. Make sure the text and speech is in line with one another. Let's try another text. I am going to add, of course I do, and do the same thing. That's it. Make sure the text and speech is in line with one another. Now you just learned how to do text-to-speech on CapCut. I just want to add that I do have the Pro version account. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This will help me create more free contents for everyone. See you on my next video.